Sarah, there it is. The KFC restaurant is just across the street.
Great. I am very hungry. I skipped lunch today.
Me too. Before we go in, do you already know what you want?
Not really. I want chicken, but I do not know which meal to choose.
I saw a new spicy chicken meal online. I want to look at it.
All right, let's check the menu first and decide slowly.
Good idea. Come on.
Wow, the menu board is very large. There are so many choices.
Yes, I can see burgers, chicken pieces, wraps, fries, and drinks.
What is that meal in the middle? The picture looks good.
It says original chicken burger meal. It comes with fries and a drink.
That sounds simple. Is the chicken spicy?
No. The red sign is for the spicy version. The original one is mild.
Good. I prefer mild food. What does side mean here?
A side is extra food with the main meal, like fries, corn, or coleslaw.
I understand. I want fries, but I may also try the coleslaw.
Let's read the smaller menu near the line. It may show the prices better. The bucket meal is cheaper than buying two separate meals.
Yes, but the chicken pieces have bones. I wanted a burger today.
That is a good point. I want a burger too.
Then separate meals are easier.
I will get the spicy chicken burger meal. A
I will choose the original chicken burger meal.
good plan. Let's decide on our drinks before we reach the cashier.
I do not want cola today. Do they have lemonade?
Yes, lemonade is listed under cold drinks.
Perfect. I will have a medium lemonade with no ice.
Why no ice?
Ice makes the drink too cold, and it also makes it watery.
That makes sense. I will have a medium regular cola with ice.
Do you want a bottle of water too?
Not now. If the burger is too spicy, I can buy water later.
All right, the line is moving. Let's get ready.
Burger, size, drink, and special request. We have everything.
Hello, welcome to KFC. Are you ready to order?
Hello? Yes, I think we are ready.
Great. Will this be for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, you can order together and I will put everything on one receipt. Whenever you are ready, you can start with the first meal.
I would like one medium spicy chicken burger meal, please.
Would you like the regular spicy burger or the extra spicy burger?
The regular spicy burger, please. I am not ready for extra spicy.
Good choice. What drink would you like with that?
A medium regular cola with ice, please.
Got it. Any changes to the burger?
Yes, please. Can I have it without onions?
Of course. No onions. Would you like everything else on it?
What else comes in the burger?
It comes with lettuce, mayonnaise, spicy sauce, and pickles.
Please keep the lettuce and pickles, but use only a little mayonnaise.
No onions and light mayonnaise. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Would you like regular fries with the meal?
Can I change the fries to corn?
Yes. There is a small extra charge for corn.
That is fine. I will have corn instead of fries.
I will mark one medium spicy burger meal with corn. And what would you like for the second meal?
I would like one medium original chicken burger meal, please.
Certainly. What drink would you like?
A medium lemonade with no ice, please.
No ice. Would you like any changes to your burger?
What sauce comes inside the original burger?
It comes with mayonnaise.
That is fine. Please keep everything on it.
Would you like regular fries as your side?
Yes, regular fries are perfect.
Very sensible. I am already thinking about your fries.
Jake, you chose corn. Please remember that.
One medium original burger meal with fries and lemonade, no ice. Would you like to add anything else today?
Do you have chicken strips?
Yes. We have 3-piece and 5-piece chicken strips.
Are they spicy?
The regular strips are mild. We also have spicy strips.
Maybe we can share 3 regular strips.
Good idea. One order of 3 regular chicken strips, please.
Would you like a dipping sauce with the strips?
Can we choose the sauce later?
Yes. The sauce station is near the drink machines. You can choose there.
Great. We will decide after we get our food. Yes, we can always order dessert later.
All right. I will read the full order back to you. You have 1 medium spicy chicken burger meal with no onions, light mayonnaise, corn, and a regular cola with ice.
Yes, that is mine.
You also have 1 medium original chicken burger meal with fries and a lemonade with no ice.
That is correct.
And 1 order of 3 regular chicken strips.
Yes, please.
Your total is $26.40.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card on the reader.
It says processing.
Just a moment. All right, the payment went through.
Great.
Here is your receipt. Your order number is 42.
Where should we wait?
Please wait near the pickup counter. I will call your number when the food is ready.
You are doing great so far. Hello, everyone. I am Daniel, and I am here to help you learn English the easy way. Here is a quick English tip before we continue. Bella asked, for here or to go? This is a very common question in fast food restaurants. For here means you will eat inside the restaurant. To go means you will take the food away and eat somewhere else. For example, for here, please. This order is to go. Can I have it to go, please? Now here is today's question. Which dipping sauce does Sarah choose for the chicken strips? Sarah will choose one sauce later in the conversation. Listen carefully for the answer. When you hear it, write the sauce in the comments. You can write a short answer, such as Sarah chooses sauce. Ready? Let's continue.
The pickup counter is over there. I can see the order numbers on the screen.
Our number is 42. The screen shows 38 now.
So there are 4 orders before ours.
It should not take long.
Let's stand near the wall. We should not block the counter.
Good idea. We can wait here.
I hope your spicy burger is not too hot.
Me too. I wanted to try something new.
That is fine. Just do not drink my lemonade if your mouth is hot.
I will protect your lemonade. I have my cola.
Saluk, number 40 is ready.
Only 2 more orders. Let's check the receipt while we wait. The receipt has many short words. This line says SPCBRG.
That probably means spicy burger.
Yes, and this says no on. That must mean no onions.
What does LT mayo mean?
Light mayonnaise. Bella entered everything correctly.
My line says Orgbarg, lem, no ice. Original burger, lemonade, no ice.
Exactly. The chicken strips are at the bottom.
It is good to check the receipt before the food comes.
Why?
If something is wrong, we can ask about it early.
That is true. But everything looks correct today.
Do not celebrate yet. We still need to check the tray.
Order number 42. 42 is ready.
That is us. Hello?
Hello. I have 2 burger meals and 1 order of chicken strips.
Yes, That is our order.
The spicy burger is in the box with the red sticker. The original burger has the white sticker.
That makes it easy to tell them apart.
The corn is in this small cup and the fries are beside Sarah's burger.
Thank you. Which drink is the lemonade?
The clear cup with no ice is the lemonade. The darker drink with ice is the cola.
Perfect.
Please check the tray before you leave the counter.
We have 2 burgers, corn, fries, 3 strips, and 2 drinks.
Everything seems to be here.
Great! Napkins, ketchup, and other sauces are at the station on your right.
Thank you. We will go there now.
Here is the sauce station. There are many small packets.
I can see ketchup, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, and hot sauce.
Which one do you want for the chicken strips?
I will choose barbecue sauce. It is sweet and a little smoky.
Good choice. I will take 1 hot sauce packet for my corn.
Hot sauce on corn? That is new.
I want to try it. I may regret it, but I want to try.
Take only 1 packet then.
All right, do we need ketchup for the fries?
Yes, please take 2 ketchup packets.
How many napkins should we get?
4 should be enough. Fried food can be messy.
I will also take 2 wet wipes.
Good idea. Now let's find a clean table near the window. There is an empty table by the window.
Perfect. It has 2 chairs and enough space for the tray.
I will carry the napkins and sauces.
All right, here we are.
The table is clean, but I will wipe this small spot.
Thank you. I will put your burger and fries on your side.
And your spicy burger and corn are on your side.
The chicken strips can stay in the middle so we can share them.
Good. Let's open the boxes and check the burgers.
My box has the red sticker. It also says no onions.
Mine looks right too. The lemonade has no ice.
Everything looks perfect. We can finally eat.
The fries are hot and crispy. Do you want one?
Yes, please, just 1 for now.
All right, here you go.
Thank you. They are very good.
How is your spicy burger?
I have not tried it yet. I am looking at the sauce.
The sauce cannot hurt you until you take a bite.
That is not very comforting.
Come on, you wanted something new.
All right, here goes.
Well, is it too hot?
It is spicy, but the first bite is okay.
Good. Try the corn too before you add more hot sauce.
Wait, I thought the chicken strips came with a biscuit.
Did Bella say that?
I am not sure. I saw a biscuit in the picture on the menu.
Let's look at the receipt before we ask.
The receipt only says 3 strips. It does not mention a biscuit.
Maybe the biscuit is only included in a different meal.
You are probably right.
We can still ask politely. It is better than guessing.
I will stay at the table and watch our things.
Good. I will take the receipt and ask Bella.
Please ask how much 1 biscuit costs, too.
All right, I will be back in a minute. Excuse me, Bella, can I ask a quick question?
Of course. How can I help?
We ordered 3 chicken strips. Does that order include a biscuit?
Let me check your receipt. No, the 3-strip snack does not include a biscuit.
I understand. We saw a biscuit in one of the menu pictures.
That picture is for the 3-strip meal. The meal includes a side, a drink, and a biscuit.
Thank you for explaining. How much is 1 biscuit by itself?
1 biscuit is $1.25.
Can I buy one here, or do I need to return to the cashier?
You can order it at the cashier. I can add it as a separate item.
All right, We may get one later.
That is okay. Is everything else correct?
Yes, everything else is good.
Great. Please, let's know if you need anything.
I am back. The biscuit is not included in our order.
That makes sense. The picture was for a different meal.
Exactly. We can buy one for $1.25.
Maybe later. Right now, I need water.
Is the burger getting hotter?
Yes, the second half is much spicier than the first half.
Drink your cola slowly.
The cola is not helping very much.
Do you want some of my lemonade?
No, thank you. I think a bottle of water will be better.
You look uncomfortable. Maybe you should also ask for milk.
Good idea. I will go to Bella and ask.
I will stay here and watch the food.
Please protect my burger from yourself.
Your burger is safe. Your corn may not be.
Hello again. What can I get for you?
1 bottle of cold water, please. Do you also sell small cartons of milk?
We have small bottles of plain milk in the refrigerator.
Great. I will take 1 small milk too.
Anything else?
Yes. Sarah said she would get dessert. What desserts do you have today?
We have chocolate chip cookies and small chocolate cakes.
I think she will like a cookie. Please add 2 cookies.
2 chocolate chip cookies, 1 water, and 1 milk. Your total is $6.10.
I will pay by card again.
Please tap when you are ready.
Done.
The payment is complete, the drinks are here, and I will bring the warm cookies to the pickup counter.
Thank you. Sarah will be surprised.
You are back. Did you find water?
Yes, I also found milk, and I ordered 2 warm cookies.
2 cookies? That is a nice surprise.
You said you would get dessert, but I was already at the cashier.
Thank you. I will pay for dessert next time.
Deal. The milk helped a lot. My mouth feels normal again.
Will you order the spicy burger next time?
Maybe, but I will ask for less spicy sauce.
My original burger was simple, but it was very good.
And the barbecue sauce was perfect with the chicken strips.
Yes, I would choose it again.
We should put our trash in the bin before we leave.
I will carry the cups. You can carry the tray.
All right. Next time, we can try the bucket meal.
Maybe, but next time I am keeping all of my fries.
I cannot promise anything.
I hope you enjoyed today's fast food conversation and learned some useful English. Before we finish, let's quickly review 3 common words from the story. The first word is side. A side is a small food item that comes with the main food. Fries, corn, and coleslaw are common sides. For example, what side would you like? I would like fries as my side. The second word is receipt. A receipt is the paper that shows what you ordered and how much you paid. Jake and Sarah checked their receipt while they waited for the food. For example, can I have the receipt, please? Please check your receipt. The third phrase is for here or to go. Restaurant workers use this question to ask where you will eat your food. Say for here when you want to eat inside. Say to go when you want to take the food away. Now think about today's question. Which dipping sauce does Sarah choose for the chicken strips? Write your answer in the comments. A short English sentence is perfect. You can also tell me which sauce you usually choose with chicken or fries. Reading and writing simple answers can help you remember new words. If this video helped you, please press the like button. It really supports the channel. For more slow and easy English conversation, subscribe to Learn English with Daniel and turn on notifications. I will be back soon with another useful English story. See you next time.